Natural light has a powerful impact on how your home looks and feels. It can make rooms appear larger, brighter, and more inviting while also improving mood and overall comfort. For homeowners in Washington, where cloudy days are common and maximizing daylight is especially valuable, patio doors offer an effective way to bring more natural light into your living space. Patio doors are designed with large glass panels that allow sunlight to flow into your home. Unlike traditional doors or smaller windows, they create a wide opening that connects indoor and outdoor areas. This design not only enhances visibility but also floods your home with natural light throughout the day. One of the biggest advantages of patio doors is their ability to brighten entire rooms. Whether installed in a living room, dining area, or kitchen, they allow light to reach deeper into your home. In Washington homes, where overcast weather can sometimes limit daylight, this added brightness can make a noticeable difference in creating a warm and welcoming environment. The size of patio doors plays a key role in their effectiveness. With expansive glass surfaces, they capture more sunlight than standard windows. This helps reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, which can lower energy usage and create a more natural indoor atmosphere. Another benefit is the way patio doors create a seamless connection to the outdoors. By opening up your view to your backyard, garden, or patio, they bring the outside in. This visual connection enhances the sense of space and makes your home feel more open and less confined. Even on cloudy days, the added visibility can make rooms feel brighter and more inviting. Sliding patio doors are especially popular for maximizing natural light. Their wide glass panels and minimal framing allow for unobstructed views and maximum sunlight. French patio doors, on the other hand, offer a more traditional look while still providing ample light through multiple glass panes. Both styles can be tailored to suit your home's design while improving brightness. Placement is also important when it comes to maximizing light. Installing patio doors in areas that receive the most sunlight, such as south or west-facing walls, can help you capture the greatest amount of daylight. In Washington, where sunlight can vary throughout the year, strategic placement ensures you get the most benefit from your upgrade. Modern patio doors are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. While they allow in more light, they are built with insulated glass and advanced coatings that help control heat transfer. This means you can enjoy a brighter home without worrying about heat loss during colder months. In Washington's cooler climate, this balance is essential for maintaining comfort. Another advantage is the improvement in overall ambiance. Natural light has a way of enhancing colors, textures, and interior design elements. Rooms with more daylight feel more vibrant and welcoming, making them more enjoyable for everyday living and entertaining. Patio doors can also make smaller spaces feel larger. The extended view and increased light create an illusion of openness, which can be especially beneficial in compact areas. This makes your home feel more spacious without the need for structural changes. Ventilation is an added bonus. While the primary focus may be on light, patio doors also allow for easy airflow when open. This brings fresh air into your home, improving indoor air quality and adding to overall comfort. Durability and low maintenance are additional benefits. Modern patio doors are built with materials that resist wear and tear, ensuring they continue to perform well over time. Clean glass surfaces also allow maximum light to pass through, so regular cleaning helps maintain their effectiveness. Professional installation is key to achieving the best results. Proper alignment and sealing ensure that your patio doors perform efficiently while maximizing light and comfort. Ultimately, patio doors offer a simple yet powerful way to improve natural light in Washington homes. They enhance brightness, create a stronger connection to the outdoors, and contribute to a more comfortable living environment. If you're looking to brighten your home and make it feel more open and inviting, patio doors are a smart and stylish investment that delivers lasting benefits.